Smart modules. Modules that fit your needs.
Welcome to this Pixel Plus short tutorial. Today, we'll be discussing how to fix VAT discrepancies between your shop's product prices and the prices shown in Facebook catalogs. You might have noticed that while your shop displays product prices with VAT included, the Facebook catalog and the Microdata debug tool show them without VAT. First, let's check this with any product. Compare the prices on the product page with those in the Microdata. If the prices generated by the Pixel catalog exclude VAT, but your shop includes VAT, it's likely due to a PrestaShop configuration. Once we've confirmed the discrepancy, we'll head over to PrestaShop's back office. Go to International Localization. Look for the setting called Set Default Country from Browser's Language and disable it. By disabling this setting, PrestaShop will stop forcing the default country, ensuring the prices are generated correctly. As we regenerate the microdata, let me explain why this issue occurs. When Meta visits your site, it does so from the US. In many shops where the US isn't a country where sales are allowed, products are treated as exports, displaying prices without VAT. This setting causes the prices to be shown without taxes. Now that we've regenerated the microdata, the prices in the catalog should finally match the prices on the product page. Here's a small tip: remember that products in pixel-based catalogs are updated by visits, so it might take a little while for all the product prices to be updated.